good night. We are actually in Curepe. I am going to try something that I never ever thought I was ever going to try. And I don't know if I'm nervous or excited. I am about to try something. I'm gonna take a look. First of all, have you ever heard about a goat burger? You ever heard about a goat burger?
The only time I ever eat goat is in curry. So in a burger, this is gonna be really interesting. And I love burgers, eh?
And I will be honest, I am not really a goat fan.
Reason because you had a goat friend.
I have goat friends. Sarah would understand where it is I'm going with this. But I never thought about a goat burger. Up until recently, people started to talk about it. And yes, I said, you know what? I have the opportunity tonight. Why not try it?
Well,
are you going to try it with me?
Yeah, I'll try it.
Okay guys, so I am here at Hangover Wagon in Curepe. And they have goat burgers, they have lamb burgers, chicken burgers, veggie burgers, they even have wings and fries and shrimp with either fries or salad. So I'm gonna go inside, take a look at the menu, find out the prices, speak to the owner a little bit, and I am going to take you guys with me. Let's go! This is the first time I am going to try a goat burger. So, tell me.
You can't go wrong with a good.
Should I be excited?
Yes.
Okay.
It's the local meats we use. I also use the goat yogurt also. Yes, the tzatziki sauce. So the goat burger consists of the brioche bun, the tzatziki sauce, the iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, grilled onions, grilled sweet pepper, grilled pineapple. Also have jalapeno and cheese. It comes with American cheese. So the texture of the goat burger is like a beef burger.
Yeah.
That way I don't sell beef or pork. I eat ounces. Bite it into meat, not no bread.
So
I think everybody
a
has
goat in a burger, that's gonna be so interesting, right? It's juicy though. So again, it's a goat flavor, you know? Very juicy, tasty, very delicious. It's something I love to try again. Let's see what you got here.
This is my goat burger. And I took it with corn on the side. So let's dress this baby. Ready for me to dig in? I'm really watching myself, feeling nervous. It's so big though. Look at the size of this.
8 ounces.
It's 8 ounces. Yeah, it's a big juicy, gigantic burger. Alright, how to do this? It's not bad. Surprisingly, it tastes real good. Coming from me, yeah. Navin, it tastes really, really good. But it's so big, my mouth can't open, so big.
Sellers is one of the we now try the goat burger. Also have the lamb burger also, local meat. Was get from Marissa Farms. That's our supplier. The chicken burger is also a seller. Jerk. Basically a little everything they sell. But the majority the goat and the jerk. Open hours are from 6 to 10. Friday and Saturday.
At that, how pretty.
Salad, you can eat salad every day.
Yeah, you got some of the dressing.
If I got?
The dressing.
I have. Alright. Shrimp is my thing. I am a shrimp girl. Oh, it's stick on.
That's good.
Navin. What happened to my face? This shrimp tastes real good. I'm not sure if I want to share with you, but it's plenty, so it'll be unfair if I don't share. So come and try it.
I'm gonna try this now. I want to look for the biggest shrimp because I know you like shrimp. So I'm gonna take the biggest shrimp there. All the shrimps big, guys. You can see that. I'll take our next one to try. That's great.
Leave my shrimp alone, please. Guys, look at that. Look at the size of those shrimp though. It's really, really nice. And it's big. All is like the same size. So it's some jumbo shrimps you're getting. Okay, Navin, what is the price for this?
This is $80.
Alright, this is 10 jumbo shrimp over a bed of gorgeous looking salad here. $80. And you can choose, you have the option of choosing what side you want. Guys, you all have to come and check Hangover Wagon. Feel free to take a drive if you're in Curepe area. If not, take a drive and come Curepe. Check out this wagon. The food really, really tasty. And the customer service is on point. You know, I big on that. But yeah, it passed the test for me. So come and check them out. So that's it tonight. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that notification bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. I love Hangover Wagon. I approve. Come on down and try the shrimp salad. You can have it with fries. You can have it with whatever side you wish. And don't forget to try the goat burger. So thank you all so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, have a wonderful week, and wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.